Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto E7 Power, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the battery. As you can see here, we've got the battery percentage option, which is right now obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. So in order to show it, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Obviously you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on it, but let me leave it like this. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Motorola Moto E7 Power. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.